Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCircuits. Today we have something interesting for you. I checked my mailbox and got this in it. So this one is a microbit based smart cube board, and it is from a company named as Electrofreaks. So today we are going to check this out. So first of all, let's see what else on the box. So in the box we will get a smart cube board, a line following map, then a manual book and a microbit, but this one is not included in this box. We have to bought it extra. So let's open it. On the top we have the user guide. Then we have the line follower chart. And finally we have our robot. This one looks really amazing. The multicolored PCB looks amazing. Let's take a look. So here we have two RGB LEDs. Then we have two motors, a switch, and here we will insert our microbit board. Then we have a buzzer. On the back side we have two IR sensors, two RGB LEDs, wheels, and I think that's it. Let's see what else is in the box. So this one is the battery holder, and then we have an ultrasonic sensor, and that was it. Now in order to run this, we will need a microbit board. Maybe you have seen in one of my previous videos. This is a microbit board. A microbit board is an educational board which is developed by Microsoft and BBC. On the microbit board we have button A, button B and LED matrix. On the back side we have our processor, our compass and accelerometer. Then we have our USB port, another reset button, the battery connector and PLE antenna which is under this chip. Then in the bottom we have the pins. These pins are numbered as 0, 1, 2, 2.34 and ground, and the middle pin also works. So in order to install this microbit board on our robot, we just have to slide it in like this, and this is done. Now let's install the batteries and the ultrasonic sensors on the robot. We have a double-sided tape with us. Now I have connected the connector. Then now we can paste it like this. So the battery installation has been done. Now the ultrasonic sensor. Or you can say a sonar. You can install it like this. This thing looks really amazing. I think it's time to install the microbit board again. And now this is completed. It looks really amazing. Now we have to connect this microbit board using a USB cable to our computer, and then we should program it. So without wasting time, let's get to the computer screens and program this thing. So right now we are on our computer screen. So first of all, you have to open a web browser, then search for microbit, and now we have to go to this website and go to Let's Code. Now let's go to the MakeCode editor. So this one is the editor. First of all, let's click on a new project. Today we are going to make a line follower robot. So we will name it like this. So this is the screen where we are going to program our microbit. So here we have two functions or two blocks. First is onStart and second is forever. If you remember this in your Arduino, we have two functions. One is setup function and another one is loop function. So setup function work as same as onStart and loop function works same as forever. So first of all, we have to go to extensions. In the extension, we will search for CuteBot, and this one is the extension which we need to install. Once installed, you will see one more option here which says CuteBot. Now we are going to make the code for line follower. In the forever function, first of all, we will need an if function. For if function, you have to go to basics. These are the basic options. In the input, you have the input options. Then you have music, LEDs. For the if statement, we need logics. We will take this one and we will put it in the forever. So now here we have to enter the condition. For the condition, we will go to CuteBot and we will check for the sensors. So this one is the sensor bit. So we will check if the left sensor is found or lost, then we will turn on the motor. If the left sensor is found, the left motor will run with 20% speed and the right motor with 0% speed. Then we will give a delay. For the delay, we will use the pause function like this. You can reduce it to 50 milliseconds if you want. Now we will add an else statement. In the else statement, we will again use an if statement. We can copy this also, like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. In the else statement, we will check for the right sensor. If it is lost, this one will be 0% and the other motor will be 20%. Simple. And now in the else statement, we will run both motors with 20% speed, and we will also take a delay. So in this way we can make our code using blocks. It is really simple. Even kids starting from 6 years of age can do these type of things. So now we can download this code and this code will be saved in our computer. Now we have to plug in our microbit board into the computer. Let's find the file in the downloads folder. So here is the file. So and then here is the microbit. We just have to copy this file to the microbit board. The LED on the microbit board will start to flash really fast. Once the installation has been done, the microbit will eject automatically. Now our code has been programmed onto the microbit, and now we can test the robot. So now I have programmed the microbit and the CuteBot has been set up. We have installed some batteries, and just using this button we can turn the device on. As you can see, both the motors are rotating forward direction. There are two sensors. You can see one is here and one is here. If I touch one of these, you can see the light turns off. So in this way the device is going to work. Let's check on the line if it follows it. So this is how the Qt bot is going to work with the code of line follower. You can make a lot of projects with it, like we have the ultrasonic sensor in front, so you can make an obstacle avoidance robot. We have two RGB LEDs, you can use them. We have RGB LEDs on the bottom as well. So there are a lot of options how you can make code using this Qt bot. If you want to buy this Qt bot, the link is given in the description of this video. You can purchase it from here. And this is it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you love this video and new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.